Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Draftbit components for React Native apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Draftbit components for React Native apps, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Draftbit website. Sign in to your Draftbit account or create a new account if you do not have one. Once logged in, access your workspace. In the workspace, locate the components library. Browse through the available components to find the ones you need for your app. Select a component by clicking on it. Review the component details, including its features and usage instructions. To download the component, look for the download button, usually labeled as download or similar. Click the download button. The component file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Unzip the downloaded file if it is in a compressed format. Open your React Native project in your preferred code editor. Navigate to the directory where your project components are stored. Copy the downloaded component files into the appropriate folder within your project. Import the downloaded components into your React Native files where needed. Follow any additional setup instructions provided with the components to ensure they work correctly in your app. Test your app to confirm that the components are integrated successfully and function as expected. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Draftbit documentation for troubleshooting guidance. With these steps completed, you will have successfully downloaded and integrated Draftbit components into your React Native app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.